WT 0360 Zinaida Ondoy, age 39, married, vocational caregiver. Experience is 2 years caregiver in the Philippines. Miss Zinaida Ondoy, please introduce and tell me something about yourself.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Zinaida Ondoy, married, 39 years old, 2 children, and I'm a vocational graduate caregiver. I live in Matulet, Paranaque, Metro Manila.
Can you give me your tell me about your experience as caregiver and what are your duties and responsibilities?
I'm a private caregiver with 2 years experience in the Estrella Ochoco, the Paranaque. I'm experienced for the very elderly, bedridden, giving food, medicine, and take differentials, pulse and respiration, massage, and then giving a sponge bath.
Are you willing to be a domestic helper for Hong Kong?
Yes,
Can you do all the household chores?
yes, I do a household chores. I do cleaning, washing, car wash, ironing.
Who do you prefer to take care? Newborn, kids, or elderly?
Hearing elderly and
Can you handle bedridden patient?
yes,
Okay. Do you know how to sing a lullaby song?
yes.
Can you please sing one song?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above and to the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I always pray to God to guide me to also live the path with family to go to my home.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract? What will you do?
No, I will not break my contract. I will finish my 2 years contract. I will send my family to the money to buy the family medicine and food to support my family.
Can you finish the 2 years contract?
Yes, I will finish my 2 years contract.
How long can you work in Hong Kong?
I will finish my contract. I promise to finish my contract if I finish.
And why you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I choose to work in Hong Kong because I want to support the studies of my children, to give them a good future, and to support the needs of my family.
Miss Zinaida, give some message to your soon-to-be employer.
Ma'am, if I will finish my contract, I will promise to finish my contract. I am a trustworthy, honestly, and hardworking.
WT 0360 Zinaida Ondoy, thank you very much.